Welcome to the Tech Yorker Guides channel. In this video, we will discuss why the Start menu is not working on a Windows 11 PC. It is indeed a tricky situation because you cannot launch any apps and software by searching from the Start menu. So, we will describe the fixes that you can run directly from the Task Manager or using the Run dialog box. Let's start. First of all, you need to restart the Windows Explorer process. Simply press Ctrl, Shift plus Escape keys at once to open the Task Manager. Then find the Windows Explorer process and right click on it. Select the Restart option and your taskbar will refresh in a few seconds. You must also restart a specific process called Start Menu Experience Host. Switch to the Details tab and search for Start Menu Experience Host. Right click on it and End Task. It will automatically restart. Click on the End process and you will see that its name will automatically appear in the Details tab. Next, you must close the Task Manager and use the Run dialog box to open the Device Manager. Here you must update the GPU drivers. Type devmgmnt.msc and press enter to open the Device Manager. Find your graphic card under the Display Adapter section and right click on it. Select the Update Driver option and then click on Search automatically for drivers. After the driver installs, close the window. You can also download the latest GPU driver from the manufacturer's website. Next, you must rebuild the search index on your PC. Like the previous method, you will have to start the tool from the Run dialog box because Start menu is not working. Type the following command and then press OK to open the indexing options page. Click on the Modify option and deselect all the selected locations. Click on the OK button and then click on the Advanced button. Here, click on the Rebuild button. Click on OK and then you must wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the index to be rebuilt. It can take more time depending upon the file size on your PC. After the rebuilding completes, restart your PC and check if the Start menu works or not. The last resort is to re-register the shell experience on your PC. Open PowerShell via the Run command box and press Ctrl Shift plus Enter to open it as an administrator. Now paste the following command and press enter to run it. This has become a little oversized, so I will paste the command here that you can copy, or you can also note it down and then run it from the description box of this video. Press enter to run the command and then close the PowerShell window. And then restart your PC to re-register the shell experience host. Do like and share our video with other users. Also subscribe to the Tech Yorker Guides channel and visit our website techyorker.com for more such helpful and detailed tech guides.